Okay, where am I at? Just under here?
Under there.
Right here, right?
That's it. That's the first one.
Ouch, man. Oh, shit.
Well, that was easy.
Oh, God, my eye. I got a bunch of shit in my eye.
Would you like a pair of glasses?
No, I'm good.
Highly recommend wear eye protection.
Always wear eye protection.
All right, you
So
doing the
see
upper?
this one up here. Can I have that long extension? This
Yes.
is where that long extension might actually work.
I'm gonna bring you a long extension, and then I'm gonna come in from the other side to get a good video of this from
Yeah,
behind
get right
you.
up on my ass.
Yeah, let me put a
Get
pair
right
of
up my
glasses.
ass.
I'll get up your ass, bro. Don't worry. Let me get up in there.
See if you can fit that camera.
Right up in there.
Right up in my ass. Ah! You give me the glasses?
Well, I got myself some. You said you didn't want any.
Come on, man. I'm fucking getting shit on the fucking
Oh,
eye,
wow.
dog.
You don't need your eyes.
Ah! You took the clean ones or you give me the clean ones?
I gave you the clean ones.
Oh, fucking fine. Fucking piece of shit.
All right, here we go. There's a pair right fucking behind you, by the way.
A what?
Yeah, there's a pair right fucking behind you. I bit you. Very close.
It bit me in the ass.
Hold on. Where are you at?
Up there.